Hello all. Here's my messy garden that I never do anything with. I will be getting stuck into it later on this afternoon and we've got a nice day. And I've got nobody next door. Perfect. So, having settled that, I've got somebody over here carrying on. I'm going to do a potato harvest because this one is just about done. But I just want to show you this over here. I don't know if you can see that. But I've got a flower coming on my tomatoes. Very strange season. Now, how am I going to do this? It's, Wrigley's. It's school holidays here where I am. And just bear with me. Oh. There we go. Back down here again now. It's school holidays where I am, and I don't have kids of my own. As you might have gathered that already. It's a personal choice not to have kids. It's just, if I was going to have kids, I would do it properly and get married and have kids that way. But I just never found the right person to do it, so still looking in that department, and I don't think it'll ever happen. And am I worried about that? Not really. I just went shopping and spent all my money on myself, so... Okay guys, enough about my personal life. Let's get on with this. Okay. Oh, sorry, this camera's just a tad shaky. So as I was saying, I just had lunch with Mum and we went up the shops and the price of food is just skyrocketed. So I didn't get any potatoes because I knew that this pot was ready. So it's got a good root system, so that's a good sign. Is that a worm? We have worms. Okay. Put you aside. See what we get. If we get anything at all. Another worm. Put them back in the garden bed. And we got Wrigley's. Hey. Hello, what's this? Potato. I think they seem to do better in the garden bed than in pots for me. But it's good to see we've got some worms. And I'll put them back in the garden bed too. Tiny. Hello. Oh. Perfect. Oh. What's going on here? Might have been in the pot just a bit too long. Might have to use them up for tea tonight. And I think that's going to be it. A couple of strays. Yes, lots of lovely worms. So that's one good thing. Is the worms. So that's an improvement. But the size of potatoes, it's just not happening. Or is it? As soon as I say that, look what happens. Yeah. Let's have a, just get rid of all this stuff for a bit. There's a few more tiddlies on there. Could have had a bit more. Okay. So we've got worms, and we've got some reasonable sized potatoes. So there we go. That one was just about to start all over again. That isn't a bad little harvest, actually. The last batch of potatoes I got out of the garden, I had mashed potatoes with, and boy were they nice. So I'm not too sure if this lot's worth weighing, but I think I'm getting there with the bigger sizes. Now I've just bought some steak for tea tonight, so that one's my baked potato. And you know how much I like my baked potatoes. So okay, that's not a bad little effort. Hang on. Now I'd like to thank Ron from the car park garden. He helped me out with a bit of mess. Now this is in kilos, so unit, kilos, ounces, that's got to be pounds. Now 2.1. Mind you, this is a heavy bowl too, so probably 2 pounds of potatoes, I think. So if we go back to unit, kilo, there's, oh, that's not ounces. There you go, 1.198 kilos. So we'll see how that goes. Pretty happy with that actually. So another lot of potatoes to rely on for meals. Okay everyone, thank you, bye.